Welcome to part 3 of our series, How to Choose the Right Estate Planning Attorney. Imagine building a lifetime of wealth, assets, and cherished memories, only to leave their future in the hands of someone who doesn't fully understand your vision. Choosing the right estate planning attorney isn't just a legal decision, it's a personal one. It's about finding someone who will protect your legacy, honor your wishes, and ensure your loved ones are taken care of when it matters most. In today's video, we're going beyond the basics. We'll uncover the critical factors you must consider to find the perfect attorney for your unique needs, whether it's their qualifications, their expertise in navigating complex estate laws, or their ability to communicate and connect with you on a deeper level. This isn't just about legal paperwork. It's about securing your family's future, protecting your hard-earned assets, and crafting a legacy that lasts for generations. So, if you're ready to make one of the most important decisions for your financial future, stick around. We've got the insights that will empower you to choose wisely. Let's dive in. Qualifications and certifications to look for in an estate planning attorney. When choosing an estate planning attorney to help you navigate the complex legal processes involved in estate planning, it is crucial to consider their qualifications and certifications. These credentials can provide assurance that the attorney has the necessary expertise and knowledge to handle your estate planning needs effectively. Here are some key qualifications and certifications to look for when selecting an estate planning attorney. 1. Licensed attorney. The first and foremost qualification to look for in an estate planning attorney is that they are a licensed attorney in your state. This ensures that they have completed the required education and training to practice law in your jurisdiction. 2. Specialization in estate planning. Look for an attorney who specializes in estate planning. This specialization indicates that the attorney has focused their practice on estate planning matters, allowing them to have a deeper understanding of the intricacies involved in this area of law. 3. Membership in professional organizations. Consider whether the attorney is a member of professional organizations such as the American Academy of Estate Planning Attorneys or the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys. Membership in these organizations often requires meeting certain standards of expertise and ethics. 4. Certifications. Some estate planning attorneys may hold certifications that demonstrate their expertise in estate planning. For example, the Certified Trust and Financial Advisor, CTFA, or the Certified Estate Planner, CEP designation, are indicators of specialized knowledge and experience in estate planning. 5. Experience. It is essential to inquire about the attorney's experience in handling estate planning matters. Ask how long they have been practicing estate planning law and inquire about the types of cases they have worked on. 6. Client testimonials and reviews. Read client testimonials and reviews to get an idea of the attorney's track record and reputation. Positive feedback from past clients can be a good indicator of the attorney's competence and professionalism. 7. Continuing education. Consider whether the attorney regularly participates in continuing education programs and stays updated on changes in estate planning laws and regulations. This ongoing education demonstrates a commitment to providing clients with the most current and effective legal advice. By carefully evaluating an estate planning attorney's qualifications and certifications, you can make an informed decision and choose a legal professional who is well equipped to assist you with your estate planning needs. Evaluating experience and expertise in estate planning law. Evaluating experience and expertise in estate planning law is a crucial step in selecting the right estate planning attorney. When choosing an attorney to handle your estate planning needs, it is essential to consider their level of experience and expertise in this specific area of law. 1. Experience. Experience is a key factor when evaluating an estate planning attorney. Look for an attorney who has a proven track record of handling estate planning cases successfully. Consider how long the attorney has been practicing estate planning law and the types of cases they have worked on in the past. 2. Expertise in estate planning law. Ensure that the attorney specializes in estate planning law and has a deep understanding of the legal complexities involved in creating wills, trusts, powers of attorney, and other estate planning documents. An attorney with expertise in estate planning law will be able to provide you with comprehensive advice tailored to your specific needs and goals. 3. Continuing education. In addition to experience, it is important to consider whether the attorney stays current with developments in estate planning law. Ask about their participation in continuing education programs, seminars, and conferences related to estate planning. A knowledgeable attorney who keeps abreast of changes in the law will be better equipped to provide you with up-to-date advice and guidance. 4. Client testimonials and referrals. Seek out client testimonials and referrals to get a sense of the attorney's reputation and the quality of their services. Reading reviews from past clients can provide valuable insights into the attorney's communication style, professionalism, and effectiveness in handling estate planning matters. 5. Industry recognition. Look for any industry recognition or accolades that the attorney may have received in the field of estate planning law. Awards, memberships in prestigious legal organizations, and speaking engagements at conferences can be indicators of an attorney's expertise and reputation within the legal community. By carefully evaluating an estate planning attorney's experience and expertise in estate planning law, you can make an informed decision and choose a legal professional who is well equipped to assist you with your estate planning needs. Assessing communication style and compatibility with the attorney. Communication is a crucial aspect of the attorney-client relationship, especially when it comes to estate planning, where personal and sensitive matters are often discussed. When choosing an estate planning attorney, it is essential to assess their communication style and ensure compatibility to ensure a smooth and productive working relationship. Here are some key points to consider. Openness and transparency. A good estate planning attorney should be open and transparent in their communication with you. They should be willing to explain complex legal concepts in a way that you can understand and be forthcoming about the implications of different decisions. 2. Listening skills. Your attorney should be a good listener, taking the time to understand your unique situation, goals, and concerns. They should be attentive to your needs and preferences throughout the estate planning process. 3. Respect and empathy. Look for an attorney who treats you with respect and empathy. They should be sensitive to your emotions and concerns, recognizing the personal nature of estate planning decisions. 4. Availability and responsiveness. Consider the attorney's availability and responsiveness to your inquiries and requests. A prompt and accessible attorney can provide reassurance and help address any urgent issues that may arise. 5. Compatibility and trust. It is important to feel comfortable with your estate planning attorney and trust their judgment. Building a good rapport with your attorney can make the process more efficient and less stressful. 6. Communication preferences. Discuss your communication preferences with the attorney early on. Whether you prefer email, phone calls, or in-person meetings, make sure the attorney is willing to accommodate your needs. 7. Clarity and documentation. A reliable estate planning attorney should communicate clearly and provide you with written documentation of important decisions and legal agreements. This helps ensure that both parties are on the same page and reduces the risk of misunderstandings. 8. Conflict resolution skills. In the event of disagreements or conflicts during the estate planning process, assess how the attorney handles such situations. A skilled attorney should be able to navigate conflicts diplomatically and find amicable solutions. By carefully evaluating the communication style and compatibility with a potential estate planning attorney, you can establish a strong foundation for a successful working relationship. Effective communication can lead to better outcomes, increased trust, and a more positive experience overall in the estate planning process. Understanding fee structures and costs associated with estate planning services. Understanding fee structures and costs associated with estate planning services is a crucial aspect when selecting the right estate planning attorney. It is important to have a clear understanding of how the attorney charges for their services to ensure transparency and avoid any surprises later on. Here are some common fee structures and costs associated with estate planning services. Hourly rates. Some estate planning attorneys charge by the hour for their services. The attorney will keep track of the time spent on your case and bill you accordingly. Hourly rates can vary depending on the attorney's experience, location, and complexity of the case. 2. Flat fees. Many estate planning attorneys offer flat fees for specific services, such as drafting a will, creating a trust, or developing an estate plan. With a flat fee structure, you will know upfront how much the services will cost, providing transparency and predictability. 3. Contingency fees. In some cases, estate planning attorneys may work on a contingency fee basis, where they only get paid if they are successful in achieving a certain outcome, such as securing an inheritance or winning a legal battle related to the estate. 4. Retainer fees. Some attorneys may require a retainer fee up front before they begin working on your case. The retainer fee is typically an advance payment for the attorney's services and is deposited into a trust account. The attorney will then bill against the retainer as they work on your case. 5. Additional costs. In addition to the attorney's fees, there may be additional costs associated with estate planning services, such as court filing fees, notary fees, appraisal fees, and other administrative costs. It is important to discuss these potential additional costs with your attorney up front to avoid any surprises. 6. Fee agreement. Before engaging an estate planning attorney, it is essential to have a written fee agreement that outlines the fee structure, costs, and payment terms. The fee agreement should also detail the scope of services provided by the attorney and any potential additional costs that may arise during the representation. By understanding fee structures and costs associated with estate planning services, you can make an informed decision when choosing the right estate planning attorney for your needs. Transparency, communication, and clarity regarding fees and costs will help ensure a positive and successful working relationship with your attorney. As we wrap up this vital discussion on choosing the right estate planning attorney, take a moment to reflect on what's truly at stake. This isn't just about legal documents or ticking boxes. It's about safeguarding your life's work, your family's future, and the legacy you'll leave behind. The attorney you choose will be more than a legal advisor. They'll be a trusted partner in one of the most personal journeys of your life. They'll help ensure your loved ones are cared for, your wishes are honored, and your story continues long after you're gone. So don't rush this decision. Look beyond the resumes and certifications. Find someone who listens, understands, and values what matters most to you. Because at the heart of estate planning is love. The love you have for your family, your dreams, and the life you've built. Your legacy deserves nothing less than the best. And with the right guidance, you can face the future with confidence, knowing everything you've worked for is protected and passed on with purpose. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it. Your legacy starts with the choices you make today. Make them count.